can she see the man I used to be? I've been at war with him since my early teens. A cheater, a liar, often a skank. I tried to drown him in the river bank, but he always comes back with his own kind of ego. And I hate him. He reeks of cheap beer and weed. He says he no longer feels the need to take pills, but his fingers twitch when he says it out loud. He's got these battle scars, the kind you feel from afar, and I wish I could bury him on a hill that he would have died when he was ill. He's broken many hearts. He tore those girls into shards. He became a man who I despise, who I no longer recognize. I want to drown him in the riverbank. Leave him there, give him some time to think.